Heat and that smoke coming back our way.
Yes, we do. Temperatures just as hot today as they were over the weekend. The difference is the smoke. Our first day in 41 days without an air quality alert yesterday, and we're going to make it 2 in a row because even though the smoke is on the increase, we don't have an air quality alert yet. That is likely coming for tomorrow. Look to the west. You can see the haze. It's getting really difficult to even see the foothills. The mountains have already disappeared, but no alert for now, and we have moderate air quality for now. Poor visibility, however. Again, we do anticipate the air quality situation deteriorating over the next 12 to 24 hours. Smoke that's been up in north in Wyoming is making its way south into Colorado. Situation should get worse as we get into the evening hours. Now, I don't think at any point the smoke will be quite as bad as it was at times last week or earlier this summer, but it's going to be enough smoke that many of us will notice it. Here's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Hazy, smoky skies to start the day on Tuesday. Some of the worst smoke, some of the thickest smoke, if you will be out on the eastern plains where you see the yellow and the orange here by late in the day tomorrow. Now, other than the haze and the smoke, there's not much in the atmosphere because we're pretty dry for the time being. Things will start to change here as we get into the middle of this week. Cold front coming from the northwest will make its way into Colorado Wednesday night into Thursday. And this front's going to trigger a pretty good chance for seeing showers and thunderstorms around here on Thursday. In fact, most of us will get wet. It looks like at one point or another on Thursday, maybe even Wednesday, a few showers or storms in Metro Denver. But until then, most of the storm activity we have around the state will be limited to the high country. And most of the storm activity in the mountains today will be in the San Juans, Telluride, up toward Delta and Montrose, down toward Durango and the Purgatory area, over toward Lake City and Ouray. There could be a few storms a little bit farther north here by 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock this afternoon, maybe even Rocky Mountain National Park and the spine of the the Continental Divide could see a shower or a thunderstorm up toward Grand County. Here's the futurecast as we get into tonight. We see everything come to an end as the sun sets, and we'll be dry overnight tonight for Denver in the Front Range, just like most of us will be dry today as well. Today in the mountains, plan on 70s and 80s, 90s on the western slope. We'll see 90s for the most part on the eastern plains. Lyman stops at 88. 90 or so in Boulder this afternoon. We should top out around 93 or so here in Denver. We're already at 86. And then for tomorrow, not much changes, but we should be a degree or two hotter in Metro Denver. We'll go with 95 tomorrow. Look at the triple digits north of us. Mount Rushmore, Rapid City for tomorrow, 105 degrees. And then one more day in the 90s for Denver on Wednesday before the cold front comes in Wednesday night into the daytime on Thursday. So for the rest of today, hazy and smoky, high temperatures in the 90s. Overnight tonight, we'll drop down into the 60s with more smoke. Tomorrow, smoking hot with a high temperature of 95. And then on Wednesday, as that front approaches, we drop to 93, 30% chance for thunderstorms late on Wednesday, at least a 50% chance on Thursday, and then back to a 30% chance on Friday.